So welcome to engineering at Sturt University. Every year as a part of the beginning of our program, we have our first year engineering students complete something called the Rube Goldberg challenge. Now a Rube Goldberg machine is an overly complex way of completing a simple task. And each year we have a theme for the machine that the students need to build. The theme for this year is Pi, for a number of reasons. Firstly, we've had a lot of variants of COVID throughout the year, the most recent being Omicron. We feel that the Greek alphabet's had a bad go of it lately. So Pi is the next letter in the alphabet. We're trying to reclaim that and give it a bit of a good name. Pi as a number is also really important to engineers. We use Pi in lots of our calculations, and the students actually need to bring some of that technical design into their project this year and utilise Pi in the design of the machine. Lastly, Pi is delicious, and we're going to have some Pi to celebrate the completion of the machine this year. So what the students need to do is they're going to have to build a machine that will separate trays of pies to be socially distanced so that they can be shared in a safe manner. They also need to have a few other considerations. They need to work in some steps from previous years. They need to have the CSU logo as a part of their machine, and they need to consider the sustainability of what they're doing. So look, let's go and see what they've come up with. I'm really excited to see what they've done this year.
The biggest challenge for us has been getting reliability out of our machine.
Probably reliability in all our machines, making them all work constantly, always, is a bit of an issue.
We had a bit of a struggle at the start, but it's come together better than I thought it would.
Probably the start of it, working out ideas of what you want to do.
Finding materials.
Yeah.
I think one of the other biggest challenges as well, obviously, like a lot of the teams have been impacted by the COVID, so we've lost 2 team members over the week.
Biggest struggle is just not being able to help. Like, they go through all the struggles with the zip line and stuff, and you just can't really help them with it, so yeah.
I like this gun. Yeah.
I was going to say the whole thing. It works well.
Yeah, the car's pretty cool. Yeah, we definitely had some trouble with this last night, but we were able to basically eliminate a step which made it more reliable, so that's what we've gone with today. The pulley attached to the bucket.
Yeah, the string might snap.
Yeah, definitely yesterday afternoon we sort of overcame a few big hurdles and really felt like we'd got there.
I think our CSU logo is probably the most impressive part of it.
Oh no.
Not again!
We love working together as a team because we haven't had a full team together, but we've always normally had 3 people.
Interesting. I think Alex has been pretty keen. We've had him on FaceTimes and Zooms and everything, just updating him as we go.
Yeah, I think our teams worked really well together.
Yeah, good with communicating.
Yeah.
So, and we all share ideas, and it's good.
I don't know, sharing ideas makes it so much easier. Like, I wouldn't have been able to come up with half of this.
I think it'll work, but not the way we intended.
Hopefully well.
Yeah, agreed.
I mean, apart from one group that's a bit fiddly, everything else seems pretty reliable so far. So I think we're in for a good chance at not many touches. Yeah, I think we'll successfully social distance the device. Yeah.
Thanks for coming. Welcome to Rube Goldberg Day for 2022. And this year we've got a really creative machine that's been done by our first years in less than a week. So they had 4 days and 2 hours to build this machine. So I think they've done a really good job.
Well done on the job that you've done this week, and thank you for inviting me to be the one to set off the Rube Goldberg machine for 2022.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Tea served, everyone. Thank you.
Very good.